Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is starting off in the back of Barton Creek. Not because I chose to start back there, but that's how long it took me to get my first bite. Started fishing from the Austin High boat ramp, worked my way down the bank, went across to Barton, worked my way to the very back of Barton Creek, finally got my first bite on a spinnerbait, and luckily that started a bit of a snowball effect. And those bites started rolling in. Stay tuned, guys, this is a good video. Oh my god, it's a fucking tank. Finally hooked one, jeez. Big one. Gotcha. Man, I've been fishing my ass off, y'all. That feels really good to finally get a bite. That's a solid fish right there. Throwing the War Eagle with the Z-Crawl trailer. All right, baby. Hopefully this starts off a good day of fishing here. Nice. Another one. Hell yeah. Big one too. Don't you do it. Hell yeah, baby. About the same size. Another solid one on the War Eagle. It is so freaking windy out here. I almost don't even want to go on the main lake. That's another good one though, y'all. Gotcha. Old bedfish. All right, baby. Oh, that was so sick. That was so sick. I watched her come out and grab it. Oh my god, that was so sick. That was so sick. I hope y'all saw that. Oh, no, no, no. Fuck you, tree. Yo, I hope y'all saw that shit. That was so sick. Y'all, she was following it, and I started twitching it really quick, and I could see her start getting aggressive towards it. That was awesome. Oh my god, it's a monster. Oh my god, it's a monster. Monster. Sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come here. No, no, no. Gotcha. Oh my god. Holy shit. And this is why I'm putting up with this wind right here. That's like a 5.5 pounder. Just engulf the freaking spinnerbait, y'all. Yeah. Or she might be like right at 5, I think. Gosh, she hammered that War Eagle. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all, let's see how big this girl is. 5 pounds exactly. Going back and forth between 5 and 5'1". Nice. Look at that big mama. Hell yeah, baby. All right, I'm gonna keep plugging away, y'all. This wind absolutely sucks, but these big girls bite when it's super windy, so I'm gonna keep plugging. Fucking damn, dude. Well, guys, I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'm starting to get kind of frustrated fighting the wind at this point. It just seemed to be a never-ending battle. I throw a cast, and the wind is blowing me directly at my cast, which is cutting my casting distance in half. Don't know if the video's doing it justice, but the wind is probably howling a good 20 miles an hour right here. I'm the only person on the lake this day. I didn't see a single other fisherman. I don't know if that makes me really determined or really stupid, but here we are. Oh my god, I got fucking hammered, bro. I just got hit so fucking hard. Oh my god, I can't even fish right now. Just came back for it. That's the same fish. Same fish. Nice one too. Oh, there she goes. That's all right. That's all right. All right, baby, little shaky head bite. Throwing that green pumpkin magic. Nice. All right, y'all. Little shaky head fish. Nice. Swallowed it. I mean, it's just gone. Look at that. Think she wanted that shit? Golly. Biggin. Oh my goodness gracious, y'all. Biggin. I don't know how big. I don't know how big. She's big though. Oh yeah, nice one. Nice one. Woo-wee. This is a strong fish. She's actually not, she's not huge, but man, she is strong, man. Come on. All right, damn, this fish is strong. Come here, fish. God, that fish had no business fighting that hard. I will take it though. Monster, monster. Oh my god, y'all, it's a monster. It's a giant. It's a giant. Giant. How big are you? Okay, she's not giant, but damn. I think it's close to 4. Woo, she hammered that spinnerbait. Oh yeah, that's a big one. That is a big one. Golly. Yeah, it's probably a 4-pounder. Woo, when I set the hook on that thing, I thought she was giant. Hell yeah, baby, look at that. Solid 3.5 probably. She hammered that fucking thing. Woo. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you enjoyed the video. Until the next one, stay froggy guys. Peace.